Good day everyone, I'm Mark of OrangeTee AAG division. Here at Trivelis, the one and only design, build and sell scheme, commonly known as DBSS at Clementi Avenue 4. Yes, I'm going to show you a 5-room flat that is a super high floor that is rarely available. Having obtained TOP in 2015 and MOP in 2020, Trivelis is a project with 3 tower blocks of 40 stories high. For residents who drive, you'll be glad to know that there's sheltered linkway to the car park and carport for your convenience picking up and dropping off. Facilities-wise, we have an outdoor gym, direct access to the Firefly Park, and a children's playground, among many others. This is a 5-room flat of 1,130 square feet. As you can see, the living room is very spacious with lots of rooms for you to design your space and place your furnitures. The balcony, an outdoor space within the house for you to enjoy fresh air any time of the day. As we are on a super high floor, our view is so spectacular that takes your breath away. Our dining area is away from the living area, giving you well-defined space. We have an open study area if you need to work from home. The kitchen is very functional with cooker hob and washing basin on the opposite side of each other. There's plenty of storage space with additional cabinets built on top to better organize your stuffs. Master bedroom is cozy and breezy, sharing the spectacular unblocked view. Both common bedrooms are also sharing this spectacular unblocked view. Having seen the unit, let's move on to see the amenities, which are all within a stone throw away. For the outdoor lovers, we are near Ulu Pandan Park Connector and the Firefly Park. We are also within 1 kilometer to Peitong, Nanhua and Clementi primary schools. Clementi MRT is about 10 minutes walk away. So is Clementi Mall, bus interchange, market, eateries, cinemas and polyclinics. For the athletics, Clementi Sports Centre and Swimming Complex are all within a short walk away too. I hope you like what you've just seen. If you do, give me a call. I'm Mark of OrangeTee AAG division.
AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.